If there's one welding process that transformed modern manufacturing, automotive repair, and metal fabrication, it's MIG welding. Walk into a vehicle assembly plant, fabrication shop, trailer manufacturing facility, or even a home garage, and chances are you'll find a MIG welder in action. Its popularity comes from one simple fact. It combines speed, efficiency, and ease of use better than almost any other welding process. Unlike traditional stick welding, where electrodes constantly need replacing, MIG welding continuously feeds wire into the weld joint. This makes the process faster, cleaner, and far more productive. But MIG welding is no longer what it was 20 years ago. Today's welding industry is being transformed by pulse MIG technology, digital inverter machines, robotic welding systems, artificial intelligence, and smart welding equipment that can automatically adjust settings for perfect welds. So how does MIG welding actually work? Why do professionals rely on it so heavily? And how is modern technology making MIG welding more powerful than ever? In this complete guide, you'll learn everything you need to know about MIG welding, including its working principle, applications, equipment, advantages, disadvantages, setup procedures, and the latest innovations shaping the future of welding. Let's get started. What is metal inert gas, MIG welding? Metal inert gas, MIG welding, officially known as Gas Metal Arc Welding, GMAW, is an arc welding process that uses a continuously fed wire electrode and a shielding gas to join metals together. The process works by creating an electric arc between the wire electrode and the base metal. The intense heat generated by the arc melts both the wire and the workpiece, forming a molten weld pool. As the weld pool cools, it solidifies into a strong, permanent joint. Unlike stick welding, where electrodes must be replaced frequently, MIG welding continuously feeds wire through the welding gun. This allows for uninterrupted welding, significantly increasing productivity. At the same time, a shielding gas flows through the welding gun to protect the molten weld pool from contamination by oxygen, nitrogen, and moisture in the atmosphere. This combination of continuous wire feeding and shielding gas makes MIG welding one of the fastest and most efficient welding methods available today.
The evolution of MIG welding. MIG welding was originally developed to increase production speed and reduce labor costs in industrial manufacturing. In its early years, the process was mainly used for welding aluminum and non-ferrous metals because inert shielding gases were expensive. Today, however, MIG welding has become one of the most versatile welding processes in the world. Modern advancements include pulse MIG welding, digital inverter technology, robotic welding cells, AI-assisted weld monitoring, smart welding machines, automated wire feeding systems, advanced gas mixtures, real-time weld quality control. These innovations have made MIG welding faster, cleaner, and more precise than ever before. How does MIG welding work? At its core, MIG welding works by combining three critical elements. Electrical current. The welding machine supplies electrical current to the wire electrode. Continuous wire feed. The wire electrode continuously feeds through the welding gun. Shielding gas. A protective gas surrounds the weld area. When the welder pulls the trigger on the welding gun, several things happen simultaneously. Electrical current flows to the wire electrode. Shielding gas begins flowing. The wire feeder pushes wire toward the weld joint. An arc forms between the wire and the base metal. The heat generated by this arc melts the wire electrode, the base metal. This creates a molten weld pool. As the welding gun moves forward, the molten pool cools behind it and solidifies into a strong welded joint. The shielding gas protects the molten metal from atmospheric contamination throughout the process. Without this protection, the weld could develop porosity, oxidation, cracks, weak joints. Main components of a MIG welding system. Understanding MIG welding becomes easier when you know the major parts involved. 1. Power source. The power source provides the electrical energy needed to create the welding arc. Modern MIG weldings typically use DCEP, direct current electrode positive. This is the most commonly used polarity because it provides better penetration, stable arc characteristics, improved weld appearance, reduced spatter.
DCEN. Less common because it provides faster wire melting, lower penetration, reduced weld quality in many applications. Modern advancement, digital inverter welders. Modern inverter MIG welders offer precise voltage control, energy efficiency, lightweight designs, better arc stability, and automatic parameter adjustments. These machines have largely replaced bulky transformer welders in many industries. 2. Welding gun. The welding gun is the welder's primary tool. Its job is to deliver electrical current, feed wire, supply shielding gas. Everything required for welding passes through this single tool. Types of MIG guns. Air-cooled guns. Best for light fabrication, hobby work, automotive repairs. Advantages: lower cost, lightweight, easy maintenance. Water-cooled guns. Best for heavy industrial welding, continuous production. Advantages: higher duty cycle, longer lifespan, better heat control. Modern robotic welding systems commonly use water-cooled guns for maximum performance. 3. Wire electrode. The wire electrode serves two functions: conducts electricity, acts as filler metal. As the wire melts, it becomes part of the finished weld. Common MIG welding wires. Mild steel wire. Most commonly used. Applications: structural fabrication, automotive repairs, general manufacturing. Stainless steel wire. Used for food processing equipment, medical devices, chemical plants. Aluminum wire. Used extensively in aerospace, marine applications, automotive manufacturing. Flux-cored wire. A popular alternative that contains flux inside the wire. Benefits include no external gas required, excellent outdoor performance, deep penetration. This process is known as flux-cored arc welding, FCAW. 4. Shielding gas. Shielding gas protects the molten weld pool from contamination. Without it, weld quality suffers dramatically. Common shielding gases. Argon provides stable arc, smooth weld bead, excellent aluminum welding. Carbon dioxide, CO₂, provides deep penetration, lower operating cost. However, produces more spatter. Argon-CO₂ mixtures, most commonly used for steel welding. Benefits include good penetration, reduced spatter, improved bead appearance. Argon-helium mixtures, often used for aluminum, copper, nickel alloys. These mixtures generate more heat and improve penetration. Applications of MIG welding. MIG welding is one of the most widely used welding methods in the world. Automotive industry. MIG welding is heavily used in vehicle body repairs, chassis manufacturing, exhaust systems, suspension components. Modern robotic welding systems in automobile factories perform thousands of MIG welds every day. Construction industry. Contractors rely on MIG welding for structural steel, metal frameworks, building components. Its speed significantly reduces project timelines. Manufacturing industry. MIG welding is commonly used for machinery production, equipment fabrication, consumer products, industrial systems. Trailer and frame fabrication. Its ability to weld thick steel efficiently makes it ideal for utility trailers, truck frames, heavy equipment. Home and DIY projects. Many beginners choose MIG welding because it is easier to learn than TIG welding, stick welding. Common home projects include gates, furniture, automotive repairs, decorative metalwork. Conclusion: metal inert gas welding, MIG, has earned its place as one of the most widely used welding processes in the world. Its combination of speed, versatility, ease of learning, and excellent weld quality makes it indispensable across industries, ranging from automotive manufacturing and construction to aerospace and home fabrication. What truly sets MIG welding apart today is its ability to adapt to modern technology. With advancements such as pulse welding, robotic automation, AI-driven quality control, and smart inverter machines, MIG welding is no longer just a traditional fabrication process. It is becoming an intelligent manufacturing solution. Whether you're repairing a vehicle, fabricating heavy equipment, building steel structures, or exploring welding as a career, understanding how MIG welding works provides a strong foundation for success. And as technology continues to advance, MIG welding will remain one of the most important and innovative metal twinning methods, shaping the future of manufacturing.